Hello friends, welcome back to the Amit Dhakad AI. So in this video, we will continue with the statistics. So in the last video, we learned mean, median and mode. So in this one, we will see the practical how we calculate this in the using the NumPy. Okay, mean, median, mode. Okay. So first, we will see the median. So I will calculate the median. Okay. So we will take data set as a like age. Okay. Okay, so this is our data set. So first we need to import. Okay, so here I will use import numpy as np. Okay, so we are taking age data set here. So how we calculate the mean this one for this? Okay, so we need to just use np dot mean and we will pass the age. Okay, so we run, so we will get the mean around 14.69, right? So similarly, how we calculate the median? So we have np dot median. So you can say 43. Okay. So we take one more example. So we have weights here. Okay. So okay. So we need to again np dot mean. Okay. So we use to calculate. Then we will pass weights here. Okay. So we will get the mean of the weights. Okay. And if we need to calculate np dot median, so we have to just call the median function. Okay. So you can see we are getting here mean 56 and median 54. Okay. So this is our sample data. Now we will import data set from the Seaborn. Okay. So I will add import Seaborn at ns. Okay. So we have in ns. Okay. So we are getting no module name Seaborn. Okay. So for that we need to install Seaborn. Okay. I am using this Anaconda navigator, so I will switch to environments. Okay, here we will search Seaborn. Okay, not installed. Yeah, so we select this one. Okay, Okay, so that package is installed. Now we will switch to the here, and if we run again, so let's go. Okay, so now it's installed. So we import Seaborn as SNS. Okay, so now we take df equals to SNS dot load underscore dataset. Okay, so we'll use the tips dataset. Okay, see here df dot add. So we have total well, tips, sex, smoker, day, time, and size. Okay, so for that, so how we calculate? So we calculate mean using np.mean. Okay, so we pass df. So we pass total underscore bill. So you can see we are getting np.mean and 19.78. So this is how we can use in the real examples. So similarly, we can calculate median also. We just have to run np.median. Okay. So next we have mode. So how we calculate the mode? So before we go to the mode, we will see example with the outlier. Okay. So here we saw the age, we have this one, right? So we are calculating mean and median. So I will take this example again. Okay. So if I run this one here, and I will add here 150. Okay. So np dot mean. So how we will pass is ban. Okay. So we are getting 48.5, right? So previously we are getting mean here is mean around 40. Now we are getting 48.5. Okay. What about median? We will check np dot median. Okay. So we are getting 44.0. Previously what we are getting median for is 43, right? So here we are getting 44. So this is how we can check the. So if we increase more outliers, so that will be it will be differential, right? Next we have in the mode. So how we can use mode? So for this NumPy we don't have any function, so that we calculate mode. So here we will use SciPy here. So I will import here, import. Okay, SciPy. Sorry, we need to import states. Import from SciPy import states. Okay, so we'll import this one. So how we calculate this? We calculate using states dot mode. Okay, so we'll pass here age and we run. So you can see we are getting here mode results in mode and we are in 32 and the count is 2. Okay, so we use here age 1. Okay, age 1, and I will add more value here like 32, 55, 32. If I run this one and again calculate mode, okay, we changed 31 only, so we change here 34 and 34. Okay, so if I run again, we will get 34 and we will get that count 30. So if we check the status set, we have 34 here, 1, 2, and 3 times. So this is how we calculate the mean, median, and mode using the NumPy and SciPy. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Please like and subscribe and click on bell notification icon. Thank you.